Israel has deliberately targeted doctors, bombed hospitals, and in the nearly 2 years of military assault, has crippled Gaza's entire healthcare system. More than 1,600 healthcare workers have been killed, and paediatricians warn Israel's enforced starvation is hitting Gaza's youngest the hardest.
Children with names, with favourite games, with birthdays that will never be celebrated.
So today, as the largest and loudest mobilisation of healthcare workers ever staged unfolds across the UK, here in London, crowds have gathered for a vigil outside the Royal College of Paediatrics and Child Health to demand urgent action and accountability for Gaza's collapsing healthcare system.
Every time I see it, I weep. And I find it very difficult to speak about it because these children, it's lifelong for them. And I think it's often of the children who've lost their both parents and have a huge disability. What's going to happen to them in the future?
My name is Dr Ghassan Abu Sittah. I'm a plastic and reconstructive surgeon. I've worked in Gaza during this war. Today we're in front of the Royal College of Paediatricians to remind them of their failure to stand in solidarity with Palestinian doctors, Palestinian paediatricians, and most importantly with Palestinian children who have been the target of this genocidal war. Back in October 2023, we received in the burns unit at Shifa Hospital a 13-year-old boy called Anas and his mother. Both of them had severe burns covering over 50% of their bodies. Even as early as 2023, the numbers of wounded were overwhelming the system. And despite repeated surgeries, Anas passed away. His mother followed 2 days later. Anas is just one of 20,000 children.
It's deeply distressing, I think, for anybody on a human level. And when you have a child, you can't help but see your own child's face in the faces of every single child that you see in every single one of those horrific videos. I think it's hard to put into words the level of not only destruction, but the level of harm that is being carried out. I think people think only of bombardments, but the dismantling of healthcare and every aspect of it this is going to impact for generations. It's not even just disease. We're talking about long-term implications of not having a functioning society, not having education, the psychological impact on these children. So speed is of the essence. We must take action now.
The genocidal war in Gaza is a template for future wars in the rest of the world. Israel has made the destruction of a health system central to any military doctrine, and this will be replicated in future wars.